How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to our SLS YouTube channel. My name is Sprinterman Cam, and I'm going to be showing you this new 2027 with new features inside D6 all-wheel drive stone gray for the exterior color. Beautiful, beautiful unit. This is a sold unit. It actually sold before it even got on my lot. Customer called and said this is what they're looking for. And when I received it, I didn't even know it was going to be the new 2027 feature. So cool thing here, these seats do swivel. I'm not going to try and swivel them on camera because I might make you a little dizzy, but this front row does swivel, as well as the driver and the passenger. We now have the new released power seating, which slides forward and backwards, reclines, goes there. Also got your heat and your massage. It's got the new sleek design with that high gloss wood finish and those new overhead cabinets, which are amazing. Look at this interior design. It's got the power window shades. It's got the new tray tables that come out. Wireless charging, so you don't have to carry around any more cords. Of course, you know, we got the color changing remote. We got our light colors. And we got our darker colors. Bring it back to white. Illuminating cup holders. On this row, we still have the power leg lifts. You could also move this one forward, recline it back. I think that is a ultimate game changer for Midwest Automotive Designs. Check out back here. Now this is going to be the Azure waterfall seating. Very nice. Got our sub. Power window shades. Now this, I forgot to mention too, this unit is also powered with a LP generator. We call this the Texas Heat Killer. It is the ultimate best AC you can receive on these vans, but you still get chassis AC, which is nice. Now the chassis AC in the rear is a secondary AC compressor, and it is just phenomenal. Back to the window shades. Sorry guys, kind of all over the board. Very excited about this van. Power window shades going up. Here's a view from the back. We got that black gris. Really looks good in here. Did not want to put the white one in here just because it wouldn't match with all the colors. Now this unit does also have Starlink, air ride suspension, all-wheel drive. Got the roof rack with them KC lights. And now here is the big release. The new rear storage for Midwest Automotive Designs. It's got the netting back here, inverter still on the back door. Now this is supposed to fit 4 golf bags with your drivers taken out. Got the microwave on top with the small sink. In my opinion, that's all you really need. And then of course the toilet.
Your plates are on your desk.
Sorry, my walkie's going crazy. Thank you. Still got the Nova Cool fridge. They moved the power source here on this side. Now a lot of wiring. You don't have to worry about that really. We do that all here. 7,500 pounds for towing. Now, let me know what y'all think about this new design. Is there something else that y'all would like to see different in the D6 floor plan? As you all know, if you've seen them before, there was absolutely no storage. It used to be your toilet here and overhead storage. You had the microwave. You used to have the sink with the fridge here, so it was no storage whatsoever. But now they added the storage here, and I think it makes a big difference. Let me know what y'all think. I'm very excited about this new release. Midwest is doing great things. Now, one more little take on this van. It is actually going to leave me now as I have my customer that flew in from Florida to take this home He's gonna drive it back, and he is super, super excited about it. Again, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe to our channel, as we are wanting to grow this channel and really show people what we have here to offer. I was excited to show you that these new features are what are on this van, which are definitely well worth it in the upcoming for our Midwest transition here with the 2027s. Feel free to check out my website, SLS Houston. If you'd like to get with me directly, my cell phone number's 832-586-6323. You can call or text me anytime, whether if you're looking to buy a van, you got questions on your current van, whatever you need, we are here to help you. Again, guys, my number is 832-586-6323. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great rest of y'all's day.